leave myself a couple inches so the tire can roll in and out without any problem here. So we'll go, it's approximately 1.5 inches. Hey Steve, why don't you, yeah, thank you. Why don't you go over there and get me some material? Come on. Go about 26 inches. There is no square piece on this, square edge on this sheet of plywood. I gotta regroup here. This is my square edge. I'm going to screw this together, we'll flip it over, install the cabinet members, and then we'll get a measurement and we'll make our table. Okay, I'm not gluing this because, like I said, it's a prototype, and not so sure that it warrants being assembled that way when I may change it. Engine 5/8 deck screws because that's what I've got. I didn't countersink that one. Whoops. Jeez. I don't know what kind of operation I'm running around here. It's definitely nice having multiple drills available. Not constantly switching out bits. Makes it nice to have acquired tools over the years that you keep around. I've also acquired a lot of tools over the years that are trash and got thrown away, so something you use every day like a drill, definitely worth going big. Not many people complain about DeWalt's. I've always liked them, so they get 2 thumbs up. Alright, 24-inch drawer slides I picked up from Menards. Their bottom mount, I don't think they're full extension, but they're rated at like 75 pounds. So, you know, for a couple dollars I went for overkill, I guess.